Hello, fellow scratchers. Today we're going to make the FOV slider better. Now, if you saw what we're going to do next episode, you're really gonna know what we're gonna do next. So as you can see, here is our 3D world. Our game has been better. As you can see, we have 3D projection, and I'm really looking to extend it because it's been fun doing this tutorial with you guys. So, what are we going to do in this episode? Now, if you have seen that's what we're going to do next, you're really gonna know. Look at this. The FOV doesn't look very fancy. No, it's swapping the walls. No straight lines, nothing good. Yeah, maybe we're gonna fix that. Yeah, we're gonna fix that. That's the episode. What's it going to be? It's called, maybe it's about the FOV. Now see, put this on 120. Last time I told you, you're just gonna put it to 100. Yeah, see it in 120? Oh heck no. Look at that. No, that's very, very bad. Yeah. So, let's get scratching. So, what we're gonna do in the player. So now, as you can see, we're gonna tidy up a bit. Now, as you know, after this episode, we're gonna create our we're gonna start putting entities into the game, which would be very fun with you guys. So now, make a new block, call it player tick. Now, tick is just to make it that's fast, like fast as tick of a clock. Yeah, so it needs to be run without screen refresh. Simply run without screen refresh. Now add this player tick here, and great. Now as you can see, I called it raycasty, so it can raycast, because last episode I was only message 1. So what can we do now? Make a new block, any raycaster. It's called initialize raycaster, but I like to call it like that, so I don't really write a lot. I think that's wrong. Yeah, that's right. Run without screen refresh. Now this would do anything before the raycaster. Yep, good. Now in the any raycaster, make a new variable, called it camera. Yeah, and you call it camera dir for direction. Camera dir for all sprites. Right now we can just set camera dir to the current direction. So now what can we do? Go to the raycaster, and here we can just delete this set dir and add here a point in direction, camera dir. Yeah. Now here just find anything that starts with dir and put it the camera dir. Yep, that's good. Now we can test it to see if everything is working. Yeah, everything is working as intended. Okay, good. So now what can we do next? Okay, so now we're first going next for the linear distribution. What's linear distribution? I think I said it in the first of the episode. It's so making the lines that they're not curved. Now in here they're not curved, but add the FOV to 120. Oh, they're curved, as you can see. It's swapping into us. Yeah, so at first here, go to the any raycaster, make a new variable, called it dv. Yeah, for all sprites also. Set dv to division 240, and in here we're gonna put the tan of half of Now what you're gonna say, what's half 12? It's 12 divided by 2. Yep, yeah. So now let's go here. Did I put res or 12? Res. Yeah, you need to put 12. Don't put res. We don't. It's not here with the res. It's with the 12. Okay, so now go to the raycaster. Now we'll not need this turn. Delete them, and they're going to be replaced by a point and direction. Go here and yeah. Now point and direction. First thing, need to add a point and direction. Point and direction. Let it at first so it can work. Point and direction plus. Add a plus at first. Add a addition. It's called not plus. Who calls it plus? Okay, me, I call it plus. Camera dir plus the arctan of dv of x, no, not of x divided by the, it's dv divided by dv. Let's see it. So now everything is working as intended. Oh, what? Yeah. Everything is working as intended. Now let me put the FOV. Yes, much better. As you can see, no whopping around. Just very good. I'm happy with our raycaster. It really look like from our, from a 2D, just player collisions into our 3D world. Like, see that? Wow. Now, in the FOV, why doesn't it affect the height or like the sight of our player? Because it should. So now, like games like Minecraft, a lot of games, out first-person shooter games, not only shooter, like there are a lot. Like let's take like Minecraft. In Minecraft, when I make the FOV, I can see nearer. When I make the FOV higher, it goes as I'm seeing far. But if it goes lower, like I'm seeing very near. Okay, so this is easy to implement. In here, added this 4000 for our height. Well, now nobody really know why did I add 4000, because this is something with the DV. Now if you want, you can add DV, but adding DV let the game walls very small, so we can just multiply them by 10, maybe 11 could be good, but I'm just gonna put 10 because that works for me. And okay, everything is working as intended. Yeah, good. Wow, things make just more sense. Now, as you can see, this can be used for a lot of things for games. Now, there's this last thing. I think a lot of you guys have been confused about this. Show you guys, do you remember this one from the first episode? Yeah, I think you remember. See the walls? See the ground and the ceiling? Why do they look like that? While on the other hand, in our one, it's just darkness here, black, pitch black. So this one is easy. Go with me to the background, add a new, paint a new sprite, new costume, and this one black. Add this. No, we don't really need it that white, so I'm just gonna put that because this fits for me. Yep. Now if you want, you can delete the outline or not, but for me, like, the outline will be hidden. Why should I delete it? Now here I just need to make it a bit more darker. Yeah, that's looking creepy. Now let me copy paste this, put it here, and flip it horizontally. Yeah. This is looking very great. Now that's all I wanted to show you guys. There's not really more things I wanted to show you. And so guys, bye, keep on scratching, and just And are you excited? I am very excited for the next episode to come. And please subscribe and add the notification button when the next episode goes public, so you don't miss it. So bye guys.